I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace brake light bulb 2015 Subaru Forester Easy Guide. Start by parking safely, applying the parking brake, and opening the hatch to access the taillight assembly. Remove 2 screws, gently pull the assembly out, twist out the bulb socket, and replace the bulb with matching type. Test the light, reseat the assembly, and tighten screws. I'll walk you through common pitfalls and quick tips. Gather a few simple tools and the correct bulb before you start to save time. You need a Phillips screwdriver, clean gloves, and a replacement brake bulb that matches the OEM spec. Keep a soft cloth to protect paint and a small flashlight to see sockets. Verify bulb type by checking the owner's manual or the old bulb. I'll explain how to avoid damage and ensure a snug fit quickly. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more car tips. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite makes downtime more enjoyable while you wait for parts or a tow. Its clear screen and long battery life are great for car manuals or leisure reading. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by accessing the rear taillight through the hatch area, removing any trunk trim that blocks your reach. Unscrew the 2 visible fasteners, then carefully pull the taillight assembly outward until the bulb sockets are accessible. Twist the brake bulb socket counterclockwise, pull straight out, and swap in the new bulb while wearing gloves. Reinstall the socket, test the brake light with a helper or a brake pedal depressor, then secure the assembly back in place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.